guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are trying out Mayday survival bars, and these are cinnamon brown sugar flavor. They have a 5-year shelf life, and they are good to -22 degrees Fahrenheit and 149 degrees Fahrenheit. So we thought it'd be a great day with 4 inches of snow on the ground to be outside of the snow trying these things out. So you guys don't know, this is my brother Robert.
Hi.
And I'm kind of the survival guy of the family, and I needed like an unbiased opinion for these flavors. So brought him in today to try these out. So we got one open here in the shipping. It kind of came open in the box. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna see if these things are bulletproof, because everybody says how hard these things are. We're gonna see if it could save your life from a bullet. So without further ado, let's get on the taste test. So, God, what are you expecting? Should we speak up?
I don't know.
400 calories for these small ones. Good till January 2027. Apple cinnamon. That's what these are. That's not bad. Like, you could totally fit that in your pocket.
Oh yeah.
So I guess this are like individual like meals, right? And then the 2,400 calorie one is like a full day's worth for like a working person, I do believe. Now the difference between these are all apple cinnamon. These right here are vegan, and they're supposed to be lemon flavored. That's what this is. And they do have a longer shelf life, actually. These do not go bad until July of 2032. So these actually have a longer shelf life than these regular ones. So might be better stock up on. I don't know. Alright, so let's get this bad boy open here. Of course, we got our normal size knife. Good Mylar packaging. Here's the seal come off of that.
Pretty high quality.
It does. The packaging is really really high quality, actually. These are Coast Guard approved too, so like these can be put on like lifeboats and stuff. These are the single meals. Looks like one block. Just break it in two. Kind of broke on the line, not really. I'll give you the bigger piece.
Oh, thanks.
So right off the bat, it kind of smells like a dog treat. What do you think?
It does. Surprisingly, it does.
This kind of smells like a freaking dog treat. Oh, I don't smell any apple cinnamon, do you?
No.
Okay. Alright, so...
My confidence has gone up significantly.
See, he's lucky. He has, like, warm coffee. I just have cold freaking water to slip this down with. Now, this stuff is supposed to be non-thirst quenching, so, you know, you're not supposed to be thirsty. I highly doubt it. I've seen other reviews on these saying how they're oily and stuff like that. I'm not getting that, so maybe theirs are not stored properly.
They're really dry.
They are dry. They're powdery. You know, they flake off. It's kind of like the mix of like a cake and a cookie, I would say.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Almost. If the cake was left out for a couple of days. But
Alright. Alright. You go together?
sure.
Try it? I did get a piece, Steve. I got one. It's not terrible.
No, it's... it just tastes like apple pie crust to me.
Do you know the Applejack cereal?
Yeah.
It's kind of like a faint version of that.
Almost.
It's not bad.
I feel like it's like the top part of the apple pie crust.
Mm-hmm.
But like you just took a knife and took off all the part where the apple was.
Yeah.
Just like that.
It's not bad. I could definitely eat this if I had to. I mean,
Definitely not a daily snack.
no, I mean, you wouldn't want to be like going in a store and buying this because you were hungry.
No.
But like for camping or survival, like you could fit one of those in your pocket.
Oh yeah.
I mean, hell, you could fit one of these in your pocket probably. Especially in these big jackets, you know, I could fill 4 pockets up with these out 4 days worth of food. You know?
Especially if you're like away doing something from the house.
Yeah.
Don't trust restaurants because of GMOs or some other mysterious cancer-inducing products they put in there.
It's not. It's dry. It's not like I have to get water though. It's more like a powdery crust. It's almost like when you eat it, it becomes like a peanut butter in your mouth.
It does. It really does. It's like, I'm surprised how little it dehydrates you.
Yeah,
For
like
help.
sucks all the moisture out of your mouth.
Yeah. But like it still leaves some in.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad, guys.
Oh no.
Now, like I said, this one, when we got it in the mail, the seal was broke on it. I don't think it's safe to eat. I'm not taking the chance. But this one is the lemon one. I can tell you that it did smell like lemon. But, you know, so that way we don't actually waste it. Like I said, we're going to test and see if this thing is bulletproof. So comment down below, what do you think? Have you guys had these before? Do you think this thing is going to be bulletproof in the next scene? What do you think, Robert? You think it's going to survive?
Well, with how hard it is to bite off, I'm pretty confident.
You think it'll stop a bullet?
Maybe.
Oh, goodness.
It does make your drink really refreshing, though.
Yeah. And you know, I did see other people that did this review that said that, you know, they went on this challenge. It was for like 30 days.
Mm-hmm.
And they got super tired of eating it. I'm not brave enough to do a 30-day challenge with this yet. But they were talking about how you can actually grind that up and put water in it and make it like an oatmeal.
I could see it.
You know, I mean, that would, if you got tired of eating a hard bar, or you have no teeth, like you're trying to feed somebody that has like dentures or something, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah. Alright, should we go to the shooting competition and see if this thing will stop a bullet?
Hell yeah.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go see the test. As normal, vegan food should not be allowed on store shelves. So we're going to take care of that today. Well, Robert, I don't think it's bulletproof.
Well. Damn.
Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.